Good morning, Bears. How we doing today? It is Top Slide Tuesday, where we put our Mandy on the top slide so I can easily check it and see the work that is being done. This week we're learning about the nervous system, our brain, the nerves, the neurons, the neurotransmitters. It's an amazing system. And we're also thinking about ways and things that impact that nervous system. Some of those are drugs and alcohol and tobacco. Alcohol and tobacco, both are drugs, so we could just say drugs, and they negatively impact the brain and the nervous system and how it works. And we'll study that this week. But our thoughts and our ideas also impact, like we said, fear, negative impact on the brain, negativity, negative impact on the brain. And so we want to have positive thoughts. One of our words this week is resiliency. Resiliency is the ability to bounce back and to stay strong in an adversarial situation. So, for example, somebody offers you a substance, say tobacco. As you get older, this is going to happen more often, and you want to say no because it's a negative impact on your brain. Well, when you say no, you might get some pushback. You might get some negativity. They might call you stupid. They might say you're scared. They might say multiple things to try to peer pressure you to take that substance. Well, when you're resilient, you can take the hits, you can take the negativity, and you can flip it. Why? Because resilient people are positive. Resilient people have compassion. They care about other people. Resilient people know that their future is bright. Resilient people see the world as something that isn't just affecting them, they are impacting the world. So when you take those hits and you have to say no in that situation, you can move forward and say, you know what, no thanks, I'm not going to peer press you. I know the damage it does to my brain, so I'm out of here. I'm taking off. You can take the hits and you can move on because you know by staying drug-free, you're going to have a more positive neurological system, and your brain is going to work better. Now, what's our top slide? I want you to write a short skit acting out that situation. So you could be at the mall, you could be now maybe in Zoom, maybe you're hanging out at a park and somebody offers you or does something negative. It could just be a bully. It could be somebody saying negative things to you. It could be offering drugs or tobacco or alcohol. And then you come up with a strategy in a way that you can say no to that situation. Now let's up the stakes. Let's say that when you say no, they don't just say okay. They don't cave in. They put the pressure on you and they really hammer down. What's your next dialogue? You gotta have some dialogue in there that comes back at them in a resilient, positive way. Oh, here comes somebody now. Huh? What? No, I don't smoke. No, I'm not a sissy. I just don't smoke. I know that tobacco goes into my lungs. There's a lot of tar in tobacco. Nicotine increases my heart rate. It's highly addictive, nicotine. So once I have one of those, I'll have more. No, excuse me, I said no. If you don't mind, keep walking. I hope you have a great day. You know what? Stay positive, buddy. Stay motivated. You don't need those cigarettes. I understand, you got to do what you got to do. Not judging you, but if you ever want to talk about it, I've got some strategies to help you to quit. All right, teach their own, buddy. Have a good one. Oh yeah, there you go. There's nobody over there. I was just pretending. Write a script like that. Have a great day, Bears. Can't wait to see the stories. Top Slide Tuesday.